Good morning to all of you. Myself Abhinav Prajapati and I am faculty for CSET. I am teaching CSET for 10 years and I have taught many reputed institutions in Delhi. Currently I am here in Kunya Institute of Civil Services Examination. Okay, I am here in Kerala and the institute is very nice, infrastructure is very nice. Also over here all top faculty from Delhi used to come here and teach the student. Okay, there are a lot of students here and they are performing well. Student, today I am going to discuss some important topic that you must prepare for CSAT paper 2. As far as quantitative aptitude is concerned, there are some most important topic that you must prepare for. First one is number system, second is permutation combination, third profit percentage and average, speed, time and distance, and ratio or proportion. These are the pillars of arithmetic. Okay, these are very important topics. Every year at least one question is there from this topic. Apart from this, one topic is also there which is most important, that is LCM and SCM. Okay, so today I am going to tell you how to solve the question related to LCM without actually finding the LCM. Okay, so let's see. So can you see this question? Question is largest 4-digit number that is exactly divisible by 12, 15, 18 and 27. Okay, so do you know what is largest 4-digit number? So largest 4-digit number is 9999. Okay, if you solve this question through basic method, you have to take LCM of these 4 numbers 12, 15, 18 and 27. So just find LCM of this number, and then after finding LCM you have to divide this largest 4-digit number. Okay, then whatever remainder you will get, okay, you will definitely get remainder. Whatever remainder you get, you have to subtract the remainder from the 4-digit number. Okay, then whatever result will be there, that will be your answer. Okay, now this is very calculative and cumbersome process. Okay, it will take more time. So I am just going to tell you a very simple process through which we can find easily the answer of this question in just 5 to 10 seconds. Okay, provided some basic rules we must know. So what is basic rule? As you know, a number is exactly divisible by 12. Okay, when a number is exactly divisible by 12, the same number must also be exactly divisible by factor of 12. So important factor of 12 is 3 and 4. Okay, so we can write here important factor 3 and 4. Okay, now again the same number is also exactly divisible by 15. So if the number is exactly divisible by 15, the same number must also be exactly divisible by factor of 15. So what will be the important factor of 15? One factor is 3 and another factor is 5. Okay, now the same number is also exactly divisible by 18. If a number is exactly divisible by 18, the same number must also be exactly divisible by factor of 18. So important factor of 18 is 9. Okay, if 9 is there, we shouldn't use divisibility rule of 3, because divisibility rule of 3 and 9 are both are same. Okay, so first of all we should check the divisibility rule of 9 over option. That option will be our answer, which is exactly divisible by 9. Now what is divisibility rule of 9? A sum of digit. If sum of digit of a number is exactly divisible by 9, then number itself is divisible by 9. If you see this sum of digit 9 plus 9 plus 6, this is 24. So 24 is not exactly divisible by 9. So this cannot be our answer. Okay, so this cannot be our answer. Now if you look second option 9720. So sum of the digit of this number is 18. So 18 is exactly divisible by 9. So this can be our answer. Now if we look at option C, so 993, 3 is remaining here. So this cannot be our answer, because that option will be our answer, which is exactly divisible by 9, because numbers are exactly divisible by 18. Now if you look option C, So sum of digit will be 9 plus 9 plus 6, again you are getting 24. So 24 is not exactly divisible by 9. So this cannot be our answer. So we are left with only option B. So B will be the right answer. Okay. So thank you so much.